In Dr. Joseph Murphy's teachings, the subconscious mind is of immense importance. He believed that the subconscious mind is the powerful force that shapes our reality and determines our life circumstances. That's why it is important to install positive thoughts and beliefs in our subconscious mind. Affirmations and visualizations are the most common practices to reprogram the subconscious mind. But it is true that both visualizations and affirmations don't work for some individuals. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 powerful techniques that allow you to reprogram your subconscious mind effectively. These techniques are completely new, and you've never heard of them before. By practicing these techniques, you will be able to reprogram your subconscious mind in a matter of days. Once you have successfully reprogrammed your subconscious mind, there is no force to stop you from manifesting your desires. So make sure to watch this video to the end. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to it and press the bell icon so that you can watch more videos in the future. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we need to understand the power of the subconscious mind and how it influences our life experiences. Dr. Joseph Murphy believed that the subconscious mind is like a hidden powerhouse that influences and controls many aspects of our lives. It acts as a reservoir of information, storing our beliefs, memories, experiences, skills, and thoughts. Everything that we have ever encountered, seen, or done is recorded and permanently stored in the subconscious mind. The main function of the subconscious mind is to retrieve and utilize this stored data. It plays a crucial role in shaping our behaviors, actions, and responses. The subconscious mind operates based on the patterns and programming it has received, often referred to as our master program or self-concept. It ensures that we align our actions and behaviors with this self-concept. For example, if we have a negative self-concept and hold limiting beliefs about ourselves, our subconscious mind will work tirelessly to make sure our actions and behaviors are consistent with those beliefs. This can create a cycle of negativity and self-sabotage. However, by consciously introducing positive affirmations and success-oriented thoughts, we can reprogram the subconscious mind and change our patterns of thinking and behavior. Think of your subconscious mind as an obedient servant, tirelessly working day and night to bring into reality the mental equivalents you create. It takes your thoughts, hopes, and desires and manifests them in your life. If you consistently focus on positive concepts like harmony, health, peace, and goodwill, your subconscious mind will align your experiences and circumstances to reflect these concepts. The subconscious mind is always active, whether we are aware of it or not. Therefore, it is crucial to pay attention to our thoughts and beliefs, as they directly influence the programming of our subconscious mind. Through mindfulness and self-awareness, we can identify and replace negative thought patterns with positive ones, allowing us to harness the full potential of our subconscious mind. Now let's discuss the 4 powerful ways to reprogram our subconscious mind. Number 1. The mind operates exclusively in the present moment. First and foremost, it's important to recognize that the mind can only operate in the present tense. Many people say, next year, I will have a perfect body, next year, I will attain wealth, or next year, I will find love and happiness. However, the mind doesn't comprehend the concept of next year. Just as when you tell a child, we will do that tomorrow, and they ask, is it tomorrow today? Is it yesterday or today? Because they can't anticipate the future. The mind isn't adept at anticipating the future. It needs you to specify that it's happening now. For instance, say, I am becoming incredibly successful at this moment. I am experiencing immense joy and happiness right now, or I am attracting the most amazing, lasting love at this very moment. By incorporating the words now and right now into your desires, your mind comprehends that you want immediate action. Conversely, when you say, next year or 5 years from now, your mind struggles to grasp the meaning. The mind only functions in the present tense. This is why individuals who are depressed find it challenging to imagine a better future, and why it's difficult to envision a life without pain when you're suffering. To reprogram your subconscious mind effectively, it is essential to use appropriate, current, powerful, incredible, and captivating language when expressing your desires. Be specific and elaborate, leaving no room for ambiguity. In doing so, you are providing your mind with clear instructions and increasing the likelihood of achieving your goals. No baby is born with self-sabotaging thoughts or low confidence. We are all born with immense potential and confidence. It is our responsibility to communicate our desires effectively to our subconscious mind. Number 2. the mind only responds to words that make pictures. Our mind responds to whatever language we use. The important aspect of communication is that the mind tends to create mental images in response to words. When we think or speak, our minds generate pictures based on the words we hear or say. This phenomenon is especially true when it comes to influencing our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Dr. Joseph Murphy suggests that the mind only responds effectively to words that evoke clear, vivid, and detailed mental images. If we use words that lack clarity or fail to create compelling pictures, our minds may not respond as effectively. For example, if someone declares, "I'm never going to eat cake again," their mind conjures up images of cake, focusing on the very thing they are trying to avoid. In this case, the words never, not, and don't do not effectively communicate the desired outcome. An interesting observation can be made with children. When a parent says, "Don't touch that vase," the child's mind generates an image of touching the vase rather than refraining from it. The child may even act on this mental image and touch the vase despite the parent's instruction. This is because the mind doesn't fully process negations such as don't or not in the same way as positive commands. The mind tends to focus on the action portrayed in the mental image rather than the negation associated with it. Consider the common practice of making New Year's resolutions. Many people have likely made resolutions like, "I will never eat chocolate again." However, these resolutions often fail to last. The reason behind this is that the mind creates strong mental images of eating chocolate while disregarding the words never or not. Consequently, the mind's response aligns with the mental image, leading to a craving for chocolate and ultimately undermining the resolution. To effectively communicate with our minds, we need to use words that paint clear and positive mental pictures. Instead of focusing on what we don't want, it is more beneficial to concentrate on what we do want. For example, rather than saying, "I won't eat cake," it is more effective to say, "I choose to eat healthy foods that nourish my body." By emphasizing positive choices and visualizing the desired outcome, our minds respond more positively and are more likely to align our thoughts and actions accordingly. By consciously choosing the words we use and the pictures we create, we can harness the potential of our minds to bring about positive change. Whether we are setting personal goals, giving instructions to others, or simply engaging in self-talk, utilizing words that generate clear and compelling mental images is key to achieving the desired results. Number 3, use powerful and super-descriptive words. Using powerful and super-descriptive words can significantly impact our mindset. According to Dr. Joseph Murphy, our feelings are influenced by the pictures we create in our minds and the words we say to ourselves. Successful individuals consciously construct powerful and exciting mental images and use empowering words, while those who struggle tend to create negative images and use negative language. For instance, consider two people who are faced with the same situation. Both are trying to sleep with a barking dog nearby and have eaten at the same restaurant. However, one person believes in their rock-hard constitution and ability to sleep through anything, while the other believes that these factors will make them sick. The situation itself hasn't changed, but their beliefs greatly influence their experience. To achieve success, we must use captivating and descriptive words that ignite passion and direction within us. Merely repeating mundane phrases like "every day in every way my life is getting better and better" lacks vibrancy and detail. Instead, we should adopt powerful affirmations like "I have a skill, passion, drive, and determination propelling me towards my dream career like a magnet or laser." This kind of language paints a vivid picture and inspires enthusiasm. The choice of words also extends to the phrases we use. For instance, saying "I'm looking for love" doesn't evoke strong imagery, whereas stating "I'm a lovable, warm, and amazing person, and I'm attracting the partner I desire" creates a vivid mental picture. Moreover, it is also important to consider the words we use in conjunction with others. Simply saying "I am motivated and passionate" is effective, but adding descriptors like "driven" elevates the impact. Similarly, instead of saying "I'm trying not to get ill" or "I'm hoping not to get depressed," using words like phenomenal, extraordinary, or freaking awesome can drastically change the mental image and mindset. For example, "I have a phenomenal, incredible metabolism that burns off whatever I eat. My body utilizes all the nutrients to build a perfect body for me." By incorporating dynamic and descriptive words into our self-talk and affirmations, we cultivate a powerful and positive mindset. This empowers us to face challenges with confidence, pursue our goals relentlessly, and ultimately achieve success. The words we choose have the potential to ignite our passion, direct our focus, and create a mental landscape that propels us toward our desired outcomes. Number 4. Reprogram your mind for success. Reprogramming your mind for success is another powerful technique that can transform your life. Our minds are like powerful computers, capable of executing complex tasks. However, they require proper programming to function optimally. Imagine your mind as a loyal servant, always ready to carry out your commands. By providing clear instructions and using compelling language, you can guide your mind towards success. One effective way to reprogram your mind is by using affirmations. Instead of saying, "I don't want to forget things anymore," shift your focus to what you want to achieve. Affirm, "I have an extraordinary, foolproof, dependable memory." By using positive, present tense statements, you instruct your mind to perform at its best. Additionally, incorporating descriptive and vivid language can enhance the impact of your affirmations. Words like incredible, awesome, and phenomenal create a clear and compelling picture in your mind. By repeating these powerful words, you reinforce the message in your subconscious, directing it towards success. It's important to understand that your subconscious mind has a job to do and follows your instructions. Therefore, it's crucial to provide it with exciting and empowering commands. As you communicate with your mind, remember to speak in the present tense, use words like now and right now, and paint a vivid picture of the desired outcome. This clarity helps your mind understand and act on your intentions effectively. The benefits of reprogramming your subconscious mind extend beyond personal success. When you master the art of communicating with your mind, you can assist others in doing the same. By helping them reprogram their subconscious minds, you contribute to a better world. As people develop a positive self-image and belief in their abilities, they become less prone to bullying, aggression, and other negative behaviors. When individuals feel good about themselves, they radiate positivity and create a ripple effect of confidence and empowerment. Furthermore, the potential of the human mind is limitless. As you work towards your goals and push yourself to reach new heights, you'll realize that your potential expands with every step. The more you tap into your potential, the more it expands, propelling you forward. It's a never-ending journey of growth and discovery. Embracing this mindset allows you to continually strive for excellence and surpass what you once thought was possible. I hope that you enjoyed those techniques by Dr. Joseph Murphy, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.